Hello, good evening. This is Bala. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's study about the Camarilla level, how it performs today. So, what kind of trade opportunity which we can gain from our Camarilla level trading. And today, while considering the Bank Nifty, it is a down overlapping down value. But today, the levels is not support tested by the market. It is opened by a gap down and it is trading below the level and ending with the below the today's Camarilla level. So if you find this kind of uh, levels which is not tested, that is what the levels which is not tested by the market price. So that is what a good level of support and good level of resistance for tomorrow's trading and also for a coming days. This level should be act as a major level. And as we earlier said, so it's open below that S4, so we don't go for any trade. So when it is settled to the range, so we can go to the trade. But unfortunately, there is no trade happen. So this level of support 4 and resistance 4 act as a good thing for a coming days market, and resistance 4 is around 35,918. So this act as a good resistance for a bank nifty for a coming days. So even we can go for a short option, so OTM options at 15,000 35,900 level, so we can take for a OTM option selling also, that is a call selling over the resistance. That will give you some a good amount of money while if you are taking for this expiry. So market will not test this level for this week. So it is a crucial level. So whenever this level is, even this S4 act as a good resistance because market is trading below. So market goes this level, so and maybe turning that. So these levels are very important for a coming trading session because these levels are not tested by the market today. And same Nifty also forming that kind of untested levels on Camarilla. So that is also good support and resistance which is present here. So we can go for a trading for a next day. We can just focus this level to make our trade. Okay, today as per our Camarilla level, the market is started below that level. We don't focus any trading opportunity because it is taking a trade on over the R4 and below the S4, so it is a little bit risky. So that is why we said in the morning itself we avoided the trading and we focus some stocks to take a trade. So one is Divis Lab. So here we are waiting for a breakout or we are waiting for a S3 reversal. We didn't get any chances for this trade because today market is one-sided and it's going down and down and ending with the Nifty ending with the 170 4 points negative and bank nifty ending with the 670 point negative, almost 1.1% in nifty and 1.8% in a bank nifty down. And Bharati Airtel, where we are focusing for a trade opportunity, so initially we are expecting the trade opportunity at this level sudden down and it tested the support for and it bounces back, but we are expecting the trade opportunity in this particular stock while we are expecting the buying kind of opportunity. The single candle it started moving down and it is a recovery back, so we may be taking the entry at this point and the time is around 2:15. So intraday is not suitable for this thing, so we don't have the opportunity in this stock also. And Balakrishna, so here we got a buy opportunity and finally it triggers our stop loss, but because of the market it is totally in a single day direction, like it's a keep on going down. So here we got this opportunity and we lose the loss. And second, Reliance, so we didn't get opportunity. Yeah, we have the opportunity at this level around 2100 and it moves slightly and again it Reliance also triggering our stop loss today. Then IRTCT, we are focusing for a buy opportunity. We didn't get any trade at all. And Arrow Pharma, that is also giving us stop loss. So three stop losses we've seen in today because of one direction. And again this is not giving you any trade opportunity because whenever it comes below and recover back, then we can take the trade. So here not opportunity. And National Aluminium, that is also given a stop loss, almost four stop losses we lost on today's trading. And Glenmark, again Glenmark, it triggers our entry point around 240, so intraday is not a suitable time, so we leave it. And Bandhan Bank, we are focusing for a sell opportunity. So we got a sell over here at this point. So whenever market moves over and then closes below that, so we may be taking that position at this point. So it is closing near about 308, so almost nearby the target, but never trigger your target. So it gives you some profit. So almost today, one direction market, we are focusing for a long trade opportunity of most of the stock, but we didn't get a chance. That is why we lose to 4 trade opportunity. And even if you are managing 1:2 risk reward ratio, that always give you some better trade opportunity. So the most important on this video, so these levels for a Nifty and a Bank Nifty, you can focus this as a good resistance and support for the next coming sessions. So because these levels are very important for a next trading session, so you can keep focusing on this level. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so the coming sessions, this level should be the great support and resistance. So Nifty and Bank Nifty. So because this level act as a good support and resistance. So in this range, if market comes to that, so we can focus this today's range, and tomorrow some ranges are maybe formed. But this is a good resistance and support. So remember, so these levels are very important because the market is not tested that level. So that support and resistance having good power, so market can reverse and break out. So that everything was happening in this level. So that will give you some good result. So two opportunity which we are forming that in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's check on our coming sessions how the system is working and what are the how the prices are reacting on these levels, whether whenever it comes to that level, how market is reacting. So whenever the gap down opening, so we may avoid the trade because we are not going to take a much trade on intraday basis. So that will give you some better opportunity to avoid to make risky trades. So because market has started a gap down and it may be recover or it may continue the downtrend. So that kind of day when the market is in a range, so we can plan the range trading. So if it is out of the range, so we cannot do that. So that is what our best idea from that Camarilla levels. I hope this may be giving you some idea about our Camarilla trade setup. If you like this video, like and share to your friends and comment on this video if you have any questions. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you very much.